Learning how to use the word sila in just a minute. Sila is a pronoun. They. They in Tagalog is the word sila. And of course, we are referring to two or more people. Unlocking of word difficulty. Magkakapatid, siblings. Magpinsan, cousins. Magkakatrabaho, colleagues. Magkapitbahay, neighbor. Magkakaklase, classmates. Mag-asawa, couple. Mga halimbawa, examples. Sila ay magkakapatid. They are siblings. Sila ay magpinsan. They are cousins. Sila ay magkatrabaho. They are colleagues. Sila ay magkapitbahay. They are neighbors. Sila ay magkaklase. They are classmates. Sila ay mag-asawa. They are couples.
Do you want to learn Tagalog online? Learning Tagalog is easier than you think and way more fun than you expect. Join our online Tagalog classes today, whether you are beginner or advanced. We've got you covered. And let us start your journey today. Message us to book your first Tagalog lesson.